ends. So this technique I want you to do is just comb the hair and split it, divide it in half like that. Okay, bring it forward. Okay, and then we're going to just trim the ends
I get the gray
a
coat.
little bit.
Cầm đây hay kết lắm. Đem mà này gì sao cưng lắm.
Put it like that. And you can look in the mirror too. So you could do this and look in the mirror so you can trim your ends like that. That's all you're going to do. Just to trim a little bit. So you gather all the hair like this. Lock it in place. And you're just going to trim the little tips. Those little tips. So I'll do it for her. So we can just get it in the video. See, we're just taking off the little ends, get rid of the split ends. Okay, good. See? Because it was pretty uneven. You could tell earlier it was a little uneven. And then I'm going to do another technique where you're just going to trim the front part layers. So you section it from ear to ear like that. Okay, so hold this. Okay, and we'll do that on the side. So we section this part only because we're just going to trim the front layers. Okay, so take this. And now you're going to bend your hip forward a little bit. Yeah, not too much. Just that part. Because we're going to get all this in there. We're just going to trim just the tips of this. But you can see how it's like a little bit uneven, right? So we're going to just get rid of some of the ends. So I do recommend you to flat iron it straight and then cut. But since we're at my family's, what do you call this? Pre-wedding dinner?
Pre-wedding party. I don't know.
Is it a rehearsal
Barbecue?
dinner? No. Just a family barbecue, right? So then you just slide it down. We're going to trim these ends, okay? So, gather all the hair, clip it in place, lock it down, and we're just going to pull it straight out like this. And we're just going to pull it until we just get to the ends here, and we're just going to trim a little bit of the ends to smooth it out. See, these are falling out because that's the length. We're not going to trim much of the length. But I'd say let's get rid of some of these ones to make it a little bit more even. Get rid of the split ends. So you can see that the split ends are gone now.
No!
Ta-da! See? Look at the mirror. Oh, see? It just layers it nicely a little bit so that it just blends in. But your hair is still long. But you need to blow dry it so you can see it a little better.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
But yeah, if you use a blow dryer, just blow dry this a little bit.
Yep. We on?
Okay, wait, here. I'll just show. So we just blow dried it. Can you see? We just blow dried it in so you can see how the layers fall. See? This is what we did with just a little bit of face framing layers. Ta-da!
Pretty.
Okay, we gotta go now. Thank you.